Hello everyone, welcome to NESL. My name is Renju. I am a PhD student at this lab and I'm also your safety trainer for this lab. So I have a handout that contains lots of lab safety rules. Both, it's double-sided, and I'm going to post the link to this handout at the end of the video. So let's go over the handout. First, lab exits. There are two lab exits that are located in the front and locates in the back. Okay. Second, the fire alarms. There are two fire alarms. One is inside the lab, it's here, and the other one is outside the lab that you do not need to see where it is. It's just outside the lab. If you hear the sirens from the fire alarm, make sure that you leave the lab immediately and go to the court of science outside the lab. So the court of science is upstairs from the lab. So basically you want to keep away from the lab as far as you can. Then third, our lab has 3 phones, 2 on disks. So one phone is there. And another phone is here. And we also have one phone under the TV. It locates at that place. So if there's any emergencies, please use the phones to directly call 911 and they are going to locate where we are. But if you are using your personal phone, make sure that you call 310-825-1491. Okay, it's 310-825-1491. You should probably put this number on your smartphone so that you can directly call them instead of calling 911 because they will have like a quicker response. And for the non-emergency case, you can just send me an email and also send Professor Mani Srivastava an email. If you're using the lab's phone, just dial the last 5 digits if you are calling for on-campus phones. And if you are calling for off-campus numbers, dial 8, then plus the full 10-digit phone numbers. And please do not use the phones at the lab for your personal purpose. 4, lab shower. Our lab does not have lab shower, so we don't need to worry about it. 5, lab eye wash. Our lab does not have lab eye wash as well. Fire extinguisher. This is very important. We have 3 fire extinguishers that are located at the back of the door. 2 of them are at the back of the door. And the rest one is at the front of the door. So, as you may already trained during your other training session, the fire extinguishers have specific types. This one, the smaller ones, are the ABC type. So you can see from here, the label ABC, they are used for trash, wood pepper, and B, liquid, C, electrical equipment. And we also have one BC type. That's in the back of the lab. So this larger one is a BC type. It says carbon here. It could not be used for trash wood paper or any combustible materials. Okay. So in order to use an extinguisher, remember a word, pass. P-A-S-S, pass. So what does pass mean? Pass means that take the extinguisher, pull the bar. Now the bar is locked, but if for any emergencies, just pull it very hard and aim at the base of the fire and then squeeze the handle and then sweep the fire. So remember, pass. What that means again, it means pull, aim, squeeze, and sweep. In case of any emergencies that you might need, our lab also provide a first aid kit, which locates in the back bench. It's here. It has some basic medical stuff that you might need. Okay, the last required thing is the flammable storage cabinet, which locates underneath the bench. It is this yellow box, very giant, and everything inside this is very, very, very flammable. It could easily catch fire. And if you need anything from this cabinet, make sure that you keep this door always closed all the time. So if you need anything, open the door, take the thing that you need, close the door, and use it. When you need to return it, also make sure that you open, put it back, and close the door. You need to double or triple check the door is securely closed because this is a very, very dangerous box. Make sure that we are safe. And we also have some additional rules for our lab. First, the wearing. You should never wear a shorts, or a flip-flop. You need to keep your body, you need to keep your body below your arm fully covered. You need to wear the long pants and the shoes that will fully cover your foot. If you need to use any materials from this bench table, make sure that you wear a goggle while you are using it. And if you are using the soldering, make sure that you turn it off after you use it. Otherwise, it might catch fire. Also, after you use this table, clean it, make sure everything is well organized. And our back room has servers, laser machine, and the driller. If you need to use any of these machines, please email Professor Mani Srivastava for additional training because they are expensive and you need more safety training for these. Okay, the last two rules are the guest policy and the food rule. Guest policy: you are allowed to bring guests as long as they are more than 14. Remember, no one will be allowed at this lab if they are younger than 14. Food or drink. This lab does not allow any food or drink. The only exceptions are water, tea, or coffee. When you leave the lab, make sure you turn off the lab's lap slides, and also make sure the door is closed. So when you close the door, make sure that it really closes. Like sometimes it does not close very securely. Just pull it. If it does not open, then that's secure. And follow this link. You will see the lab handout. And then follow this link. You will see a quiz, and it will give the instructions on how to obtain the key after you finish the quiz. Welcome to the NESL, and stay safe, have fun. If you have more questions, feel free to email me or email Professor Mani Srivastava. Thank you.